Discover the power of HostLegends Max, the world's fastest and safest NVMe-based SSD cloud hosting platform. Designed with revolutionary safe shell technology for ultimate security, host unlimited websites and domains on ultra-fast, secured servers with a 99.99% uptime guarantee, no monthly fees ever. Switch to HostLegends Max today for unbeatable speed, safety, and savings. For more details about HostLegends Max, please check out the link in the description below. So let's take a look on what this product is all about.
Welcome to HostLegends. So first of all, I would like to really welcome you for purchasing HostLegends. So let's quickly grab your credentials from your email and click on the login button. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will quickly see this nice dashboard designed for you, and the demo purpose of this video is to show you around the dashboard so that you can make use of your hosting and domain services. Okay, so first thing you would like to do is always go to your services, and you can see all the types of plans and orders you have booked from us, right? So for this account, I have ordered two hosting products. One is personal shared hosting and another is starter shared hosting, and this account order is active but this one is not. Okay, so if you see an order pending at your end, please do not worry, because our team would be able to get this activated shortly. Okay, so let's quickly see how you can make use of this dashboard. So in and around here is the order ID, and this is the amount which is like a recurring amount, and this is a bi-annually billing cycle, right? So that means you will pay us this price with every 2 years. Okay, so this is super cheap, but super cheap doesn't mean that this is not a quality hosting. This is a super quality hosting. Okay, so you can log into your hosting dashboard from here by using the credentials given here below. Like, you can click on view password to see the password, and if you don't want to use the login credentials, there is also a button which says login to server, right? So you can simply click on login to server, and from this link you will be able to simply go into your hosting dashboard, where you will be able to manage all aspects of your website. Okay, so this dashboard is a very powerful business dashboard, and it comes with so many features that you are going to be amazed. But for this demo purpose, I would like to show you the main hosting dashboard overview. Okay, so we will be covering this entire dashboard in some other video, right? So the next tab is your billing tab, which is here, and in this billing tab you are going to see all the plans you have bought and the available plans you can still buy. Okay, so the payment method is the third tab, where we have your payment method either on file or not. So if you want to renew your domains and your hosting on time, I would really like to suggest you to always add your payment method. Okay, so in order to add your payment method, either you can click on this button and manually log into your client area by entering your details, or you can simply click on login to client area, and you will be entered inside your client area, where you will be able to enter your payment methods. Okay, so just click here and you can add your credit card over here, so that you can make sure that none of your expiring things are going to be suspended. Okay, so if you have your payment method on file, the system is automatically going to charge you for everything, but if not, you can also pay manually. Okay, so let's quickly see what else is there inside the tool. So if you go here inside the dashboard, these are also the services we have shown you, which you bought from us, and the host names. So here you have three options: either you can connect your existing domain, register a domain, or transfer a domain to us. So if you guys already have existing domains, you can simply add your domain name from here. But if you want to add more domain names, you can log into your hosting account and then go to the domains tab and add that, right? So let's see how you can connect more existing domains to your account. So log into your server once again, and from here you can click on add domain, and now you have multiple methods to add your new domain name, right? So just click on blank website, and here you will be entered your, let's say, sampledomain.com, So this is the web space you will be getting because this is your primary domain and the hosting type. Okay, so just don't change anything, and if you want to add this domain to some other path or document route, you can use that. Otherwise, simply click on add domain, and this will be adding this sampledomain.com to your hosting. Okay, so now your sample domain is added, and that's how you're going to add more and more existing domains. But if you don't have a domain with you, you can always go back to dashboard and click on register a domain. Okay, so once you click on register a domain, you can search for a domain name here. Like you can be searching anything, maybe sample domain system, and click on the search. So this domain is available and it costs you 12.71 USD, and we also give you some suggestions to choose. You can also click on give me more suggestions, even more suggestions. So our system is very good in recommending you the good domain names. So you can just follow the cart process, and your domain will be added to your hosting. Okay, also if you are having some domains from your other host, maybe GoDaddy or maybe Enom or maybe any other registrar like Namecheap, you can always transfer that domain by following this link. From this link, we will be asking you two things to do: your domain name and your authorization code. Okay, so first you need to get your domain unlocked. After that, you will be able to get this authorization code from your domain registrar. Just simply enter these two details, add your domain to the cart, and you will be able to transfer your domain to HostLegends. Okay, so this is about the domain and hosting services and how you can access that. But just the tool doesn't finish here. So apart from that, you have this nice user dashboard. You go here on the cloud backups and you will see what are the features over there. So if you don't have access to this tool, you can go here and click on buy now. But if you already have access to this tool, you don't need to remember any login credentials or check your email. Simply click on one click login and you will be able to log in into your dashboard of Royal Drive. Okay, so this is a very nice service where you will be able to host, manage and upload any kinds of backups, files, databases, images, videos. So any hosting site you have, you can create backups over here. Okay, so the next tool is AI website builder, and all of these tools from the user dashboard you can simply use with one click login. Okay, this is fully integrated inside your dashboard. So you click on one click login, and this is our page builder where you will be able to create any site you want for just by entering your keyword inside here or choosing any category. So if you click on photography, you will be able to see templates related to that or to the food and business. These are all very nice templates that are provided here for you, right? So we have provided lots and lots of templates for you so that you can create your site easily. Okay, so these demos will be covered later in detailed tutorial in the other demos. Okay, now the third is video hosting. So this is also one click login. Just click here and you will be able to access your Widmingo dashboard, right? So this is a video hosting service. If you are using videos for your business, if you are using video streams or videos to market and promote your business, so you can simply use the Widmingo dashboard. And there is also this entire demo here provided to you so that you can know how to use Widmingo. Okay, so for any problems you have, there is also this support section over here and some additional guides for using this product, right? And the same goes for social media automation, which is Viral Dashboard, our best seller product till date. So that's how you can easily enter and access many different services from here. Not only that, if you go inside the dashboard and if you click on free ad credits, on this page you will be able to get at least $2,000 ad credits for free. Okay, so for this demo, this section is disabled, but when you buy this product from us, you will see all the links to the access URLs. Okay, so go back to the dashboard, and here we have also listed some of the paid services that we have. So you can also hire our team for your website design, your e-commerce website design, or some custom product. Okay, so I hope you are now able to understand and make some logical sense about using this dashboard, right? See you again in the next video. Thank you.